Here we decode the often ambiguous and confusing language of many professional home sellers. Jargon that can at best cause disappointment to, and at worst, leave them running for the hills. Here's some wording to avoid if you don't want to risk damaging your selling position before a buyer even walks through the door. We're cutting through the nonsense, so you can present your home with clarity and appeal, attracting serious buyers and stronger offers, all the while keeping you in control. First up, cozy. Be careful with this one, as it often sends the wrong message. Translation: small. Don't count on a big housewarming party. As a seller, don't over-sweeten it. You can rarely do much about actual room sizes. Choose sensible furniture in small rooms. Offer clever storage solutions. Buyers respect precision and honesty. Offer genuine solutions instead of confusing descriptions. Original features. Translation: old bits that most likely need fixing. Sash windows, original moldings, period fireplace. Yes, they're beautiful, but be honest with their condition, as original items often require maintenance and buyers know that. If work has been done, have receipts and any guarantees ready to prove it and give buyers confidence. Insulation upgraded. Have the EPC ready. That's the truth that sells. Needs TLC. Translation: repairs that go well beyond a coat of paint. Boiler service 2025. Roof flashing quote. Electrics tested. Safety checks passed. Have the documents on hand to prove these points to build trust with a potential buyer. Clarity beats mystery and guesswork every time. Up and coming. Translation: still rough around the edges right now. New transport links coming soon. New cafe and restaurants. A park upgrade approved by council. Evidence is key to support these claims and to demonstrate how long a buyer might have to live without these amenities. Deceptively spacious. Translation: if you know this one, please let us know in the comments below. Why ever use this description? If it's big, prove it. Why would it be deceptive if it's genuinely spacious? Give buyers measurements on details, ceiling heights. Storage sells and solves real day-to-day issues. If it's not genuinely spacious, then emphasize flow and positives. Open plan living, direct garden access, great for entertaining. If the asking price is accurate for the area, then this reflects the size. Quiet street. Translation: not a translation as such, but ask yourself, is it really? Compared to what? Is your home at the end of a cul-de-sac? If so, this is a more relevant fact that buyers can relate to and picture. The next one is very common and much needed, but be careful to use it accurately and make sure that you remember your opinion of distance is subjective. Good transport links. Use accurate and relatable measures of distance and locations that everyone can visualize. Zone 3. A 12-minute bus journey to the station. Tube station only 3 bus stops away. Buyers map their commute instantly. Vibrant area. Translation: always loud and busy. Bars open on High Street till 11 p.m. Rear bedrooms that back onto neighbors' gardens. You can't do much about these facts, so highlight the positives and provide solutions for the negatives. Scope to extend, subject to planning permission. Translation: I think it would fit, but your guess is as good as mine. It's far more powerful to highlight what nearby neighbors have already built. Evidence beats a random opinion every time. If planning permission has already been granted in the street, then similar permission is more likely to be accepted in the future. South-facing garden. Translation: it gets sunny during the day, so it must be south-facing. Being slightly off can mean the difference of hours each day. Research and give accurate positioning. It's more useful and relevant to buyers to provide approximate times the sun hits the patio during the summer, so they can imagine using it. Motivated seller. Translation: I'm open to lower offers. Chain-free, flexible completion, finance in place. These signal reliability, not desperation. Now, how to package your listing like a pro. Facts first. Room sizes, EPC, council tax band, service charges, lease length if leasehold, proof. Recent surveys, warranties, compliance docs, boiler, electrics, windows. Offer real-life context, walking times, school catchments, parking permits, broadband speeds. Be honest about drawbacks, low ceiling in loft, narrow hallway. Offer real solutions and not waffle. Remember, transparency beats flowery every time. Buyers are better educated in buying homes in 2026. Sellers have to respect this. When you strip the jargon and show the numbers, you negotiate from strength. Just remember to be honest and be prepared to offer proof and solutions. If this helped, please like the video. It tells the algorithm this was useful. Subscribe for more seller tactics tailored to the UK market. and drop your favorite bit of creative estate agent jargon below. We'll do our best to translate it for you. Thanks for watching.